Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to save your searches in Craigslist. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, to log in. If you're facing any issues while logging in, we have created a video regarding that as well. But now I'm just gonna search for something. Right here, just below post an ad, here's a button like this that says search Craigslist. I'm gonna search for something right now. Once you've searched it, simply hit on enter. And as you can see, these are all the search results. And let's just say I want to save my search results right now. Just below the search icon, you can see a button like this that says save and has a bell icon attached to it. Simply click on it. Then you will be redirected to a new page that says your solar search has been saved. Simply turn on the alert right here. And guys, that's it. In case you want to view your saved searches, what you need to do is simply go to your account and from here directly go to searches. And guys, as you can see, this right here is the saved search. That's the gist of the video. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Until next time, thank you.